In this video, we will discuss the problem number 15, 16 and 17 of chapter number 2, Surveying and Leveling book by Kanetkar. So, problem number 15 states that the true length of a line was known to be 360 meter. The line was measured with a 30 meter tape and found to be 361.5 meter. What is the correct length of the tape? So the given data, the true length of the line was 360 meter, but when it was measured with a 30 meter tape, which is the standard length of the tape, so standard length of the tape is 30 meter. When this exactly 360 meter length of a line was measured with a 30 meter tape, then it was found that the measured length of the line is 361.5 meter. So now we have to find out that what is the length of the tape during the measurement. We have to find out L dash, length of the tape during the measurement. So we know that the true length of a line is equal to the length of the tape during the measurement divided by the standard length multiplied by the measured length of the line. So the true length of the line is 360 meter, and we have to find out the length of the tape during the measurement. The standard length of the tape is 30 meter and the measured length was 361.5 meter. So when we solve this equation, we will get 29.88 meter. 29.88 meter. It means that the length of the tape during the measurement was shorter than the standard length, and it was shorter by 0.12 meter. So the measured length is greater than the true length. Now problem number 16. It states that the length of a line measured with a 20 meter chain was found to be 372 meter. The true length of the line was known to be 371 meter. Find the error in the chain. So again it is similar to problem number 15. Given data, the standard length of chain was 20 meter. The measured length with the help of this chain was found to be 372 meter, and the true length of the line was 371 meter. The length of a line measured with a 20 meter chain was found to be 372 meter. The true length of the line was known to be 371 meter. Find the error in the chain. So we have to find out the error in chain. This is the required data. Now again we know that the measured length, the true length is equal to the length of the chain during the measurement divided by the standard length of the chain multiplied by the measured length. So when we solve this equation, we will get the length of the chain was 20.054. 20.054. So it means that the chain was 0.054 meter too longer than the standard length. So this is the error in the chain. Now problem number 17. It states that the distance between two stations was measured with a 20-meter chain and found to be 1000 meter. The same distance was measured with a 30-meter chain and found to be 996.17 meter. If the 20-meter chain was 0.05 meter too short, what was the error in the 30-meter chain? So see, the measured length was 1000 meter with 20-meter chain, okay, and the error in this chain was, it was 0.05 meter too short, 0.05 meter short. So the length during the measurement of this chain will be 19.95 meter. This is the standard length and this is the length during the measurement. So when we measured the distance between 2 points with this chain, we found out at 1000 meter, and the same distance when measured with the 30-meter chain, it was found that the distance is 996.17 meter. This was measured with a standard length of 30-meter chain. So required data is, we have to find out the error in 30-meter chain. Okay, see, we have the distance between 2 points AB. This distance was measured with a 20-meter chain which was 0.05 meter short, mean the length of the 20-meter chain during the measurement was 19.95 meter, and this distance was found as 1000 meter. In the same distance, when it was measured with the 30-meter standard length chain, it was found that 996.17 meter. So how much is the error in this 30-meter chain? So first we will find out the true length between these 2 points. So the true length between A and B will be equal to the length of the 20-meter chain during the measurement divided by the standard length multiplied by the length which we have measured. So the distance between these 2 points was observed is 1000 meter with the help of 20-meter chain which was 0.05 meter short. So this will be the true length between these 2 points, and when we solve it we will get 997.5 meter. So this is the true length between the 2 points. But this length was observed is 996.17 meter with the help of 30-meter chain. So see, we know that the true length is 997.5 meter. So we have to find out the length of the 30-meter chain during the measurement, and which give us 996.17 meter. And this is the true length of the line between AB. It was measured with a 30-meter chain and give us the result of 996.17 meter. So now we will get from this equation that what was the length of that 30-meter chain during the measurement. So when we solve this equation, L dash will be equal to 30.04 meter, mean the length of the 30-meter chain during the measurement was 30.04. So the error is 0.04 meter, in the chain is 0.04 meter longer than the standard length.